class. How are you all? I hope you are fine. So student, as you know, we have been doing exercise 1B of D2 thing 2. It's 8th edition. So students, last time I solved question 7 and now I am solving question number 9. So what is written? On a sheet of graph paper using a scale of 2 centimeter to represent 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit on the y-axis. I will explain it when I will draw on the graph. I will tell you what does it mean. We have to use centimeter graph paper. It is confirmed. Draw the graph, we will draw it. For the function, this is given y is equal to 6 minus 3x. For the values of x values they have given minus 3 to 3. It means that minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 x values. So we will put the values one by one, values of x in equation, and then find the value of y. So I have solved the question. So this is the given. I put value minus 3. In place of x, I will put minus 3. 6 as it minus 3, and replace this x with minus 3. So 6 come as it minus plus 3 3s are 9. So 6 plus 9 makes 50. So coordinates will be first x comes, then y comes. So x value is minus 3 and y is 50. X is minus 3 and y we get 50. Similarly, we will put minus 2 in place of x, 6 minus 3 and minus 2. So 6 come as it, minus 12, 3 to the 6. 6 plus 6 makes 12. So minus 2x value and 12 is the value of y. Similarly, we will put minus 1 in place of x. So 6 come as it, minus plus 3 on the 3. 6 plus 3 makes 9. So x value minus 1 and y value is 9. And now we will put 0 in place of x. 6 come as it. 3 0 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. So we have required 0 and 6. For x is equal to 1, I put 1. 6 come as it. Minus 3 was a 3. Now different sign, subtraction like here subtraction, but different sign, then subtraction. 6 minus 3 sign come, the big value 6 has positive sign. There is no need to write positive sign, but it has positive sign, so this value is to be positive. Now we will put 2 in place of x. So 6 come as it, minus 3 to the 6. 6 minus 6 0. So we have x value 2 and y value is 0. Now last value x, we put x is equal to 3. So 6 as it, minus 3 is a 9. Again different sign, plus minus, subtraction, but sign become the big value. So 9 has a negative sign, so it is minus 3. Okay. In this case 6 is greater value, that's why 3 is positive, but in this case 9 has great value, so it possesses negative sign, so answer will be negative. So x is 3 and y is minus 3. We have to fill this table with the coordinates and we will be filling it. Now I have drawn the graph. I will tell you. So students, the table is given one by one. I will first of all take xy plane, use centimeter graph paper, and they have given the condition. They said this related question on start through lines. They said using a scale of 2 centimeter to 2 centimeter. When you have a graph paper, 1 centimeter graph paper, 1 they said 2 centimeter. You have to take 2 centimeter boxes and make them equal to 1. Take 2, like I have I have drawn without using graph paper on a board. So I took 2 boxes. Suppose this is centimeter, 1 centimeter. This is again 1 centimeter. So 2 centimeter. They said on x-axis take 2 centimeter as 1 unit. So this one unit contain 2 centimeter. Similarly, after 2 boxes, 2 unit will come, and then after again 2 boxes, 3 will come. Similarly, for negative side, 2 centimeter, 1 unit, 2 centimeter, 1 unit, and one difference will come, -1, -2, but you have 2 boxes because 2 boxes equal to 2 centimeter. And for y, they said 1 centimeter take 1 unit. So this is centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 unit. I write till 15 because I look at the graph table which I have filled by finding the values of y. Maximum value of y is 50. So I can roll till 16, 17, but I write till 50. Similarly, I check the negative value of y, that is -3. So I have view till -5. I think this is clear. Now I will I have plotted the points on this graph, and because I plot without using graph paper, I plot on board. So that's why I have not used this line. Almost line. If I use ruler or scale, I will use scale. But when you will do this particular graph paper, to scale and please do need one for a graph, especially for a graph. So when we have x value -3, we get 50. It is written in table, and you can check this one also calculation. So similarly, when -2, y value was 12. -2, first look at the x-axis, then y-axis. -2 and check corresponding value of y is 12. So it is here almost. So I plot the point here, and I write the coordinates also. It will help you. Please write coordinates. Just though the points are not enough, you have to mention the coordinates at every point. Similarly, -1, this, and corresponding y value is 9. Okay. And when x in this point, is in this point, x and y value are 0 at this point. So x is 0 at this point, but at this point, only this origin point, x and y values are 0. But at this line, x value is 0 at every point. So here x value is 0, and when x is 0, we have the value 6. So 6 is y is 6, so it is 0. So I draw the point over here. Similarly, when x value is 1, we have y value is 3. When we have x value 2, we got 0. So y is 0, y on this line is 0. So when x is 2, y is 0 over here. Okay. And last but not least, when x value is 3, it is, please use when you are using I tell you, I wrote the graph on board. That's why my work is not as neat and accurate, but your graph one will be accurate actually. So -3 is this, corresponding to positive value of x. First 3x and then 1. Afterwards, you scale and draw the scale part. Okay, guys? This is all about first part. First, you have to put there, make the table, do the calculation for y, put the values x 1 by 1, and we get the y values 1 by 1 with the expected x and expected y value, and write the coordinates, and then fill the table, and afterward, use the proper instruction of a given you are not following condition of the question or state, your graph will not be accurate. You will suffer. So afterward we will do part 2.